सो हाय वेलकम बैक टू दिस अनदर एपिसोड विद मी आरशी। और थोड़ी सी धूप मेरे चेहरे पे पड़ते हुए हम आ गए हैं एक और कैंपस टूर वीडियो लेते हुए। और मैं आई हूँ एक कॉलेज। कौन सा कॉलेज है ये हम देखेंगे आने वाली वीडियो में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया हम आ गए हैं एक और कॉलेज टूर वीडियो पे। और आज का जो कॉलेज है उसका नाम है जयपुरिया इंदौर। एंड हम आपको ले चलेंगे कैंपस टूर पे, स्टूडेंट से इंटरेक्शन करेंगे एंड व्हाट नॉट। सो वेलकम टू दिस कॉलेज रिव्यू। और आज का जो कॉलेज है उसका नाम है जयपुरिया इंदौर। एंड हम इस कॉलेज टूर वीडियो में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें आपको बताएंगे जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाहते हो। इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर दिस स्पेसिफिक कॉलेज, सो वॉच दिस कंप्लीट एपिसोड। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन माय वीडियोस? अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ कॉलेज कैसा है?
College is good. Literally, I have experienced the atmosphere, the faculties, and the students as well. The college is good.
आप
Overall,
कहाँ से हो प्रॉपर्ली?
properly from Mahu,
किस स्टेट में पड़ता है?
Indore, it's
अच्छा इंदौर इटसेल्फ। ओके। एवरेज पैकेज क्या होगा कॉलेज का?
8.
8।
8.
एंड लोएस्ट पैकेज क्या होगा?
Lowest, ma'am, 7. 6 and 7.
6
Not,
and 7.
not least.
ओके।
Then.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ व्हाट इज द एवरेज पैकेज ऑफ योर कॉलेज?
जैसे नंदिनी ने बताया 8 के करीब है एवरेज।
आपके खुद की कोई ओपिनियन नहीं है?
नहीं, हम लोग को स्टैटिस्टिक्स दिखाए जाते हैं और अभी भी ऐसे जैसे ज्योति मैम है हमारे साथ, तो उनके भी अभी प्लेसमेंट लगी है। सो और मेरे एक्चुअली कोऑर्डिनेटर भी हैं, वो एक कमिटी में मेरे साथ। तो
व्हाट इज द एवरेज पैकेज?
8 to 9
लोएस्ट पैकेज?
लोएस्ट आई हैव हर्ड नियर 6.5 to 7
अच्छा अगर आपकी क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन है?
मार्केटिंग।
तो व्हाट आर द टॉप 3 कंपनीज जो मार्केटिंग के लिए आती हैं प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए?
मार्केटिंग के लिए यहाँ एक फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए आई भी ब्लैक रॉक भी आई थी, डिलॉइट थी उसमें एक, और परनोरी का आई है पहले, क्योंकि मैं चाह रहा था उसमें मेरा हो जाए।
ओके फाइन। तो अभी प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं अभी तो फर्स्ट ईयर।
होने के चांसेस हैं? दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलो
हाँ
कितने का लग जाएगा?
बिल्कुल है सीधे हाथ से।
गर्लफ्रेंड की कसम खा के बोलो।
गर्लफ्रेंड है नहीं, सॉरी।
अच्छा बहुत सारी है ऐसा?
नहीं है नहीं, सॉरी।
ओके फाइन। गर्लफ्रेंड को सॉरी या फिर मुझे सॉरी?
खुद के लिए।
So I just want to know that, what was your expectation and what's reality?
Expectation, like it reaches to the what I expected. So the college was all fine. I like the campus. I like the atmosphere, the everything.
What is the real average package? You have to swear on your girlfriend, right? Either she exists or not.
Okay, my real package is like average is like 8.59 hai, and
It's there, right?
it's there.
And
like,
what is the minimum package?
It's like 6.56. 6.56.
Good thing, bad thing about your college?
Good thing, and I don't find anything bad here. Everything is good. The people are good. The food are good. Like the facilities, the faculties are good. So everything is fine for me. Nothing bad. I didn't find anything bad here.
Anything you feel like needs to be improved?
Anything I don't know why everything is fine.
Best hang
Nandini Sara.
from where you are.
I'm from Pune.
I mean, I think people from Madhya Pradesh go to Pune, Bangalore for colleges.
Right.
Then why you came to Indore?
Two things. Firstly, there are some things that are circumstance makes you take some decisions. And secondly, I think I don't regret my decision coming.
What is the average package?
It's I think 9
Lowest?
to 9.5, 6 to 6.
What's your good name?
Shreyansh Barik,
You're from?
Odisha.
So why Jaipuria Indore?
Because what I feel is best of ROI, what we get from it, and
What is the average
placement.
package?
Average package is around 8 to 9.
Good thing about your college?
Campus itself, like the surrounding, the people, the diversity we
And
get
what
from
is the
there.
negative thing?
Negative, like
Things you feel like need to be improved. Don't be diplomat, yaar.
I
know
guess there is nothing like that, but the most thing which I don't like that it is very much distance from the city actually.
Fine, fine. So good name?
My name is Saloni Singh.
Saloni. What is the average package of your college?
It's between 8 to 9.
8 to 9. It's real?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the lowest package?
It's approximately 6.5 to 7.
Do you really think, is it like worth taking admission into Jaipur and Indore?
Definitely.
Who
Because
should take admission into Jaipur and Indore?
anyone who wants to have a diverse perspective, it's not only about the academic, it's also about the extracurricular activities they provide us. You get to know about the leadership qualities and various other skills. Like since we know we have a class representative in our class, so basically you get a position in whichever field you are. So you are getting to know various people, interacting with various people, networking with various people. So that's make a positive impact in our college.
Okay. Thank you. So we have this beautiful Vanshika with me, right? And she is basically the president of marketing club. अब इंडियन मार्केटिंग क्लब से मतलब ये है कि आप लोगों को ट्रेन करती हैं झूठ कैसे बोलना चाहिए और व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डू
नो सो बेसिकली एमबीए एंड पीजीडीएम कोर्सेज जो है वो डेल्व इनटू मार्केटिंग होते हैं सो द स्टूडेंट शुड नो व्हाट एकेडमिकली मार्केटिंग इज सो इन माय क्लब आई इंश्योर दैट कि मार्केटिंग की सारी अपडेट्स थ्रू न्यूज़ लेटर्स और एक्टिविटीज़ वगैरह उस बेसिस पे होती है कि मार्केटिंग हर तरफ मतलब 2 साल के अंदर आपकी नसों में आना चाहिए कि या यू आर अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ मार्केटिंग सो माय क्लब इंश्योर्स दैट
I mean, what do you think, prior to this club, आपने अपनी personality, prior to your MBA, what changes you have addressed in your personality and why you think, why MBA?
So, like मेरी graduation was from Vikram University and Mandsaur छोटी सी जगह. But this,
What you have done in your graduation?
yeah. So I have done BCom,
Okay.
Bachelor's of Commerce from Vikram University, and मंदसौर से किया था. So the extraordinary personality जो आपको as an MBA graduate चाहिए रहती है, that was missing. And I am 84 percentile in CAT. And
Oh my God. Oh my word.
and I'm really
Are you like, yeah, 84% time in CAD. What are you doing here?
so I got cap calls but वो waiting list clear नहीं हुई थी. So this college whole curriculum and in ROI perspective I'm here placed with Deloitte. So everything was really natural that opportunities आती जाती है. It's you the insight कि आपको उन opportunities को grab कैसे करना है. So first of all, I want you to introduce yourself so that they'll get to have an idea that what we're exactly going to discuss in this video. All right. So, hello, my name is Chandani Jain. Right now, I'm pursuing PGDM. I'm in my final year and luckily placed till now. And I've been placed in PwC and my profile is tax consultancy.
So, Chandani,
Yeah.
right? My first question is we were discussing prior to this video that you was planning to how this MBA journey happened in your life.
Okay. So to begin with, it wasn't in my to-do list to do an MBA right now because as we all know, as a fresher, you're quite skeptical about doing an MBA. You also like want to explore the options of getting a work ex and then joining MBA. But in my case, I think I took this decision of doing MBA right after my undergraduation. And for me, the journey has been quite smooth. The transition has been quite smooth. And also, that is because of this college too, because I feel it felt like home in like 2 or 3 months. That's it. So yeah, it was quite nice. The transition was quite smooth.
What have you done in graduation?
Okay, so in graduation, I did BCom honors from NMIMS Indore.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Also, whenever you go to the school, any college, you have certain expectations,
Yeah.
right? And while looking for colleges, you don't have just one option, you have multiple options,
So that
right? So on what basis you have finalized that this is something I have to go for? On what parameter somebody should, shortlist a college in generic, right? That you should look for this or you should look for that. What do you think?
Well, in my opinion, when I was taking the decision what college to finalize, I think the most important thing which I was looking for was the teachers. Like, how are the professors? How well are they? Or I mean, will they be able to like help us in some or the other way, other than academics also? Like, it's PGDM and MBA is not only about academics; it's a whole personality development. And I think the professor here, what I noticed help you in all sorts of life aspects, not just in academics. So I guess they give you a overall development, like personality development. So that was a main priority that I was looking for.
I think one more question I have. I mean, you being a fresher, you got placed with a big brand, right?
Yeah.
Every single student who aspire for MBA want to go for consulting, right? Either you talk about tier 1 category colleges, tier 2, tier 3 category colleges,
Correct.
right? What do you think? What all these companies, if I talk about PwC, if I talk about Deloitte, if I talk about EY, right, which specifically come to all these colleges, what they exactly look for? I mean, definitely, other than academics, what they look for? Because you have been through the process, in the in and out. So what do you feel?
Well, as I mentioned in the earlier answer also, that personality development is what breaks the deal. Like you could be good, you can be good in knowledge, you can be good in communication, but they are actually looking for a whole package. You just can't offer them one thing and get in. So if we focus on the overall development of our interests, other than academics also, so I guess you shine brighter than the others, and then that is what they're looking for in you.
Hello, I'm Sanskriti Tripathi and I'm from Devas. I'm a BCom graduate and currently I'm pursuing PGDM in Finance and Marketing from Jaipur Institute of Management, Indore.
So what you're currently heading at Jaipur and all?
I am currently the president of Placements and Corporate Relations Cell, which we here call it Career Management Committee, which looks after the placements, summer internships and training, and also for the corporate relations.
So have you got placed being a part of PlaceCom committee?
So there is no place com, but yes, as a student of Jaipur, I just got placed. I'm currently placed with BlackRock.
Okay, fine, cool. So my first question is, I mean, as we were discussing that you did your BCom, parallelly you was also doing this company secretary thing, right? What made you think that you should go for MBA
So
or buy MBA?
by MBA. Yes, so MBA is overall a very dynamic course. So it has a multiple facet. So here, if we talk about any other course, you are more into academics. But MBA is less of academics, I feel, and more of the extracurricular activities and the personality development. You grow yourself as a person here. So as an academician, of course, you do good because there are multiple courses offered to you. But as an individual and as a person, there are a lot of opportunities we get in the form of co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, and the clubs and committees. It's a great platform to transform yourself and to work on your interpersonal skills.
Okay, Sanskriti, I also have this one question, right? I mean, you're already about to complete your complete post-graduation journey, right? And you are placed with a good company as well. And handling the company's profile, getting students apply for all these companies. What do you think? What exactly companies look for in a candidate, and what really work it out, what really don't work it out? So what tips you want to give to all those students who are aspiring for MBA, specifically from tier 2, tier 3 category colleges?
Definitely. So the one very basic important thing I feel the student should have in an MBA is your academic knowledge. A domain knowledge is must. You need to have you be it be from any B school, tier 1, 2, 3. Academic knowledge is everybody looks for.
Hmm.
The next comes your interpersonal skills, the way you communicate and the way you put up all those knowledge at the table. This is what I believe it should be there. So the individuals, those who are in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, apart from academics, you should be actually really very good with presenting yourself, good with communication and situational handling, because these are the companies, in my company also in BlackRock, they were putting more emphasis on situational questions,
Hmm.
case-based questions, that if such situations comes in your way as an employee of the BlackRock, how will you deal with it? So negotiation, situational handling, and yes, people skill is really very important. A person should focus on along with the academics.
Okay. One more question I have. I mean, I think this year 2024 CAT is already done. Students got their results. Some got good percentile, some got ठीक-ठाक percentile. But still, when we go to all these colleges, I mean, we know about IIMs, the tags IIT IIMs have, or other private top colleges. But when we go to, tier 2 category or tier 3 category, students are also anxious because they're making huge investment, 15 lakh, 14 lakh. and all these students are going by taking loans. So एक तो definitely they look कि अच्छा 100% placement लिखा है नहीं लिखा है, पर do you think it's worth it if you go to a college या आपको drop लेना चाहिए या फिर आपको आप कॉलेज tier 3 कॉलेज में भी जाके capitalize कर सकते हो?
I believe, as far as I have seen and my journey says,
Hmm.
met people in this college, I believe definitely we should start with the course. If you're really sure that next year you can really do good, you are good with aptitude and whatsoever the quants and everything, so you should go ahead with
Hmm.
the CAT. But if you are dicey, everybody is like Sanskriti knows what Sanskriti's potential
Hmm.
are. So it is my decision. So if I suggest somebody, let's go with these colleges. But when it comes to this college, if you are dicey, please take the fuller utilization and utilize all the opportunities given to you, be it from research or any kind of corporate relation, guest lecture. Just build connects and go ahead. Don't think twice or thrice. Take a decision and then make it right. So, like, utilize everything that comes your way and keep working and be really, very consistent with the things. This is what I believe.
One more. So hi Pranjal. पहले तो congratulations for being placed, right?
Thank you so much.
कितने का पैकेज लगा है and किस कंपनी में आपका प्लेसमेंट हुआ
Like
है?
I've been placed recently with the company named as Indica Group with a package of 20.5 LPA.
Okay. And tell me a little bit about yourself कि आपने graduation में क्या किया, right? I mean, you have any experience or you're a
Mm.
fresher.
So previously I did my graduation in BSc Honors Agriculture. So it was a totally change when I joined this MBA program because the subjects were totally different. So but the curriculum and course structure were it made easy for me to get through it. That's all. And currently I'm doing my MBA in marketing and finance as my core subjects.
Okay, fine. So we can keep it casual, right?
Sure.
No problem. हम English भी use कर सकते हैं just to make audience more comfortable, ठीक है? तो पहले तो अपने आप मतलब जो भी एक normal discussion हो रहा है, मेरा पहला question है, you did your BSc in agriculture. That was all totally different streams.
Yes.
Then why MBA? What made you think, that you should go for MBA?
सी मैम अगर हम एग्जांपल लें कोई भी इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स वगैरह का, सो एक बेसिक एक्सपोजर के लिए कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपोजर के लिए एमबीए इज मस्ट टू हेल्प इन दैट फील्ड. सो मेरे दिमाग में पूरे टाइम मतलब बिजनेस के थॉट्स रहते हैं और आई वांट टू परस्यू सम काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस. फॉर दैट आई नीड एक्सपोजर ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ आल्सो. So that's one of my reason that I decided to go for the PGDM course.
Okay, fine. मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन है, आफ्टर योर ग्रेजुएशन आप कुछ साल जॉब भी कर सकते थे, अगर हम अब्रॉड में बात करें तो फॉर डूइंग एमबीए वी नीड सम सर्टेन इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? डू यू थिंक आफ्टर you're about to complete your post graduation, right? You already got placement. Do you think कि आपको right after your graduation, is it a right option to go for MBA or you should gain experience then you should go for MBA?
See, if you have experience, it is also good because it's not like definite कि आपके पास experience होना ही चाहिए. Like you can get example.
Disadvantage तो नहीं है?
या कोई disadvantage नहीं है because मैं भी एक fresher ही था. मेरा भी अच्छा पैकेज लगा. In fact, I have been placed in international branch. So it's a huge thing for me also and for all of our campus.
अच्छा, क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं. If I'm not wrong, your batch size is 180, right?
correct.
What do you think? What आपने ऐसा क्या exceptionally किया, right? कि you got that package and a lot of students got placed, but the package is on a higher side. So what you did, what do you think it requires to get a good placement from a college?
See, basically मैम हमको कुछ अलग हट के तो करना नहीं पड़ता बिकॉज इंस्टीट्यूट एक ऑलरेडी पाथ बना के देता है. हमको जो उसको फॉलो करना होता है. वी गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स, इंटर्नशिप्स. तो अगर आप उसमें अच्छा कर रहे हो अचीव एंड देयर आल्सो सम काइंड ऑफ लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम्स जहाँ पे होते रहते हैं, तो वही आप करते जाओ. और वही बस अगर उसी को इग्नोर कर रहे हो तो फिर कहीं ना कहीं डिसएडवांटेज रहता है. दैट्स ऑल द थिंग वी हैव टू.
प्रांजल, एक और क्वेश्चन है, कैट में कितना परसेंटाइल था?
सी आई हैव 69.5 परसेंटाइल.
69.9. अब ऐसे परसेंटाइल में देखो कोई tier 1 कैटेगरी का कॉलेज तो नहीं मिल रहा था. और स्पेशली बिकॉज एवरी सिंगल ईयर thousands of students call us कि यार whether we should invest this much of an amount or not. कई स्टूडेंट ड्रॉप का भी सोचते हैं, ठीक है? तो डू यू थिंक इज इट लाइक वर्थ गोइंग फॉर अ tier 2 tier 3 कैटेगरी कॉलेजेस?
Yeah, definitely. If you're just comparing the packages of IIMs or baby IIMs, so it's like उनका भी पैकेज कहीं ना कहीं जो मेरा लगा है उसके अप्रोक्स ही रहता है. So I don't think कि कुछ एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए. एक क्लब के
कौन सी कमेटी आपकी?
इवेंट मैनेजमेंट कमेटी
एंड कौन-कौन से इवेंट्स आप कंडक्ट कराते हो?
सबसे बड़ा इवेंट हमारा जो जय उत्सव है, कल्चरल इवेंट आने वाला है, वो
February
उसी करता है।
हुँ।
जी। और फ्रेशर्स हो गया, फेयरवेल हो गया।
इसमें आप एग्ज़ैक्टली करते क्या हो? बच्चों से पैसे कैसे निकालने ये और या कुछ?
सारे काम करने पड़ते हैं। ये सब
आई थिंक इवेंट करने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा स्पॉन्सरशिप चाहिए होती है।
तो स्पॉन्सर्स कैसे लेके आए, मेन पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं इवेंट्स के लिए, तो उनको कैसे अप्रोच करना है, कैसे लेके आना।
ठीक है, सच बता दो कॉलेज कैसा है?
कॉलेज
जहाँ सच ना बोल पाओ वहाँ बस ये स्माइली काफ़ी है, हम समझ जाएँगे।
कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा है। आप आओ, खुद घूमो, देखो। कॉलेज नहीं, इनफैक्ट कॉलेज अच्छा है।
कॉलेज अच्छा है।
अगर मैं ऐसा देखूँ कि अगर कोई बंदा ग्वालियर से है
हुँ।
या समबडी इज़ फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश और टियर 3 सिटीज़ में से हैं एंड इफ दे वांट कि वो पुणे नहीं जा सकते या कोई बड़े कॉलेजेस पे अप्रोच नहीं कर पा रहे, लेकिन आप डेफिनिटली जॉइन जयपुरिया।
तो आपका नाम क्या है?
ताना चौहान।
कहाँ से हो आप?
आई एम फ्रॉम मैनपुरी यूपी।
ओके, यूपी। खाना कैसा है?
खाना अच्छा है, काफी अच्छा
अच्छा है या ठीक है?
अच्छा है।
अच्छा, तो लाइक दिन में 3 बार 4 बार क्या?
4 बार।
4 बार। ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच
ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, इवनिंग स्नैक्स एंड देन डिनर।
एंड ऑप्शंस क्या-क्या रहते हैं खाने में?
काफी वैरायटी रहती है।
वैरायटी में।
सुबह का नाश्ता सो गुड, इवनिंग स्नैक्स भी काफी अच्छा रहता है, अनलिमिटेड रहता है।
यू आर एन्जॉयिंग इट। घर का खाना मिस कर रहे हो?
कभी-कभी,
कभी-कभी।
कभी-कभी।
सिस्टर भी यहीं से पास आउट हैं और कज़िन्स भी पास आउट हैं, फिर आपने भी यहीं जॉइन कर लिया।
यस यस
मतलब इतनी श्रद्धा कॉलेज को लेके बहुत कम लोगों में होती है।
Yes, my young elder sister was also passed out from the 2019 batch, and she also got placed in Deloitte. Then my cousin brother was in the 2021 batch, and he also got placed in PwC. So definitely there was a positive feedback from them, and there was a 360 degree turn around improvement in their personality, which definitely motivated me to join Jaipur Institute of Management Indore.
अब ये तो उन्होंने बता दिया था, आने के बाद भी सेम एक्सपीरियंस यही है?
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely, there are many points like definitely apart from the support from the faculties and the around the campus which is surrounded by the lush greenery, and the campus is also situated away from the city chores, which also provide a peace and serenity for the learning and growth. So
You
definitely,
can even eat fresh vegetables also.
definitely.